Hi guys, walking tayo dito sa Burnham. Habang hinihintay natin si Chloe, my dearest one apo, mag-walking ako dito. Dito tayo. Tingnan nyo yung view o mag-picture ako. Yan. Walking tayo. Dito sa harap ng athletic bowl to. Nandun sa athletic bowl si Chloe. Dito ako sa may kakahuyan sa Burnham. Magwo-walking ako. Katabi nito yung amusement park. Diyan yung skating rink. May skating rink dito tsaka mga rides na konting rides ng pangbata sa loob. Puntahan natin mamaya. Walking dito sa Burnham Park. Hintayin natin yung apo ko na nag-training. Doon yung athletic ball nakikita rito may stand doon, grandstand sa athletic ball. Ayan yung athletic ball. Takip silim, gumagabi na. Samantalahin natin habang maliwanag pa. Maliwanag pa kaya mag-video pa tayo. Walking. Mabalin amin. That's Ilocano. Walking and everything. Nandyan sa loob yung skating rink. There. Dito pwede kang mag-picnic dito. Picnic ground dito ng mga turista. Yeah. May mga nagtatambay na mga estudyante. Picnic ground. Malapit ito sa athletic ball. Ayan. Papunta tayo sa may biking area. Biking link. Mga pine tree maliliit ito. Nasa kakahuyan tayo ng Baguio. It's very nice in the park. This is a park. Picnic ground in our place. Oh, this is the biking lane. We will sit down. There, see. Doon yung Ion Hotel nakikita. There. Ion Hotel. This is the Burnham Park. Burnham Park is the Burnham Lake was closed, so we sit down here, watch for the biking place. There is the skating rink there. Skating rink. This is the Burnham Park, and that is the biking lane. And there at my back is a picnic park. What's written there? No, not nature. Preserve nature, keep it litter free. I cannot.
Pwede mo naman siya i-box na
Ganyan.
Pero parang kailangan naman.
Oh, you watch the biking lane there. Anyone who will come to the Philippines will go and bike over here, the Burnham Park.
Na-fetch kayo.
Ang laki-laking nakasulat doon. No massage. Massage is not allowed in the Burnham Park, but this is magpamassage kayo, ma'am. Only in the Philippines. Mga pasaway. Sabi doon, no, massage is not allowed in Burnham Park. But, can you read that? Can you read that there? The, the placard says, massage is not allowed in Burnham Park. But they said, magpamassage kayo, ma'am. They said, you take a massage. Sabi sila. But it's not allowed, they said. Only in the Philippines. I will have a picture taken. Makukulit na. Masahi. Massage is not allowed in Burnham Park. But they said, Masahi, ma'am. Buti sana kung pedicure, manicure, okay pa.
Massage, ma'am.
Pedicure, pwede pa.
Wala na po nagpipedicure dito, ma'am. Kasi matatanda na kami mga manicurista noon.
Sabi, massage is not allowed in Burnham Park.
Pwede dito, pero ma'am sa mga upuan pwede. Sampu lang kita, ma'am. Wag mo ako sa pakina. Sampu lang, ma'am. Sampu lang ito, ma'am. Kung ayaw mo, okay.
Baka lalong sumakit yan.
Hindi, ma'am. Yayakapin mo ako. Pero dito bawal. Dito lang tayo sa upuan.
Wag na, wag na. Hindi ako pwedeng mamasahe.
Tignan mo, ma'am. Bakit hindi pwede makaka-relax ka nga eh?
Ano nga,
Tagalin mo
mayroon.
na ito, ma'am.
Kasi nagpamassage ako sa lalong hindi ako nakalakad.
Ay, baka hinard ka nun.
Sa Vallejo.
Hindi, ganito lang. Soft massage lang. Yan o, yung mga dito mo. Bang naman. Parang dalaga.
Mga bango. Ma'am, binubula mo ako.
Hindi ma'am, kita binubula.
Masakit nga yung, masakit nga yung kamay. Bakit masakit?
Hindi ma'am, mga lamig yun. Ganyan. Sa paa mo pwede rin.
Huwag na, baka lalong hindi ako makalakad ulit.
O di dito na lang sa likod. Simple lang.
Hindi na. Sa iba na lang.
Sige.
Thank you. Pedicure ang gusto ko. Pedicure, pedicure. Yeah, it's only in the Philippines. Massage is not allowed in Burnham Park, but many of us here. Massage, ma'am. Massage, ma'am. Makukulit.
Hindi pwede yun na.
Only in the Philippines.
Diyan ba si Prince?
At the back is you can have there the picnic ground. It's clear, it's very bright because I am under the post of light. There's a light here, so it's very bright. We're watching the children on the biking area. And it's a very nice view here anyway. While waiting, killing time, waiting for my grandchildren. Oh, my grandbaby lang, isa lang, grandkid. I'm waiting for her, having her training there in Athletic Ball. So I'm sitting down here here in the biking lane, biking area in Burnham Park, since I cannot do walking on the Burnham Lake because it's closed. Here is the biking lane. You look. It's only 5:30, I think. It's getting dark already. Oh, the Burnham is already dark. There in the Burnham Lake. But it's bright here because there's a post with light. So you can see very well my face. I'm sitting down here in the lane.
Oo. 100 yun talaga.
Thank you for watching.